Hey y'all, I'm about to make some jerk salmon and jerk shrimp tacos for dinner. It's so delicious, the best you'll ever have. Okay, let's get started with the recipe.
Well, I fell asleep today,
Hmm?
so why wouldn't I be?
What class you fell asleep in?
Bad.
Okay guys, so in this dish right here, I have my piece of salmon fillet and some shrimp. And I'm going to season it using jerk seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and salt. So instead of the all-purpose seasoning, you can replace it and use onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and of course salt, okay? And be sure to season both sides of the salmon. I left the skin on mine, but you can remove it if you prefer. And yeah, season it really well with the jerk seasoning and everything else. And then we're gonna get our frying pan, place it on a medium heat, add a little bit of oil to coat the bottom of the pot. Once it gets nice and hot, place the salmon, the presentation side down in the pot first. And then also I added the shrimp in the pot as well as seafood, so it really doesn't matter. Okay, and then once the salmon is brown on the first side, I'm gonna flip it over and finish cooking it. Altogether, I cooked the salmon for about 10 minutes and the shrimp I cooked it for about 5. Okay, so now I'm making the jerk sauce in this little saucepan here. So I added water, ketchup, sugar, a little bit of oil. I'm using canola oil. You could also use vegetable oil, and some paprika or chili powder. Either one will work perfectly here. I almost forgot to mention the most important part to the sauce, the jerk seasoning. So add as much or little as you want in here, okay? The more you add, the spicier the sauce will be. And then you're going to let that simmer over medium heat. Give it a good stir and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, guys, so next I like to take some of the jerk sauce and drizzle some of it over the salmon and shrimp or even chicken if I'm making jerk chicken tacos, okay? Another thing you can do is actually when the salmon and shrimp is still in the pot, drizzle some of the sauce while it's still cooking, okay? Don't do too much because you don't want it to be too wet and soggy for your tacos. Okay, and then for the rest of the sauce, we're going to dip the corn tortillas or flour tortillas, whichever you're using, into the sauce. And whatever's left, we can use it in the end for dipping pleasures. So after you dip the tortillas into the jerk sauce, you're going to place it down and stuff it basically. Okay, so you can put your salmon or shrimp, whichever one you're making, add some shredded cheese. I'm using a Mexican blend of cheese, and that's basically fold it over and place it into the same frying pan. If you need more oil, you can add a little bit in the frying pan, and we're gonna fry the tacos for about 3 minutes until it's a little crispy on both sides. Flip them over, get it nice and crispy, and remove them. Finish making your tacos. And the last thing to do once you've cooked all of your tacos and filled all of them is to add some toppings. So today I used tomatoes diced up, red onion, and cilantro, and I also added some sour cream. Here I'm using Mexican sour cream, okay? And that's basically it, you guys, for these yummy, delicious tacos. Okay, when you're serving them, you can also drizzle them with some jerk sauce and enjoy. Waiting for the video. Gosh, girl, you can eat. Hey y'all. So tonight, as you can see, if you watch the video, if you read the title, we're eating some tacos. Woohoo! Homemade tacos. So it's jerk salmon and jerk shrimp tacos. This one is salmon. Add some sour cream.
Should the sour cream be added already?
I added it on some. No.
Can you add it on mine though?
Dip it. That's why I put it there. Oops. Here. Okay. So I did 2 flour tortillas. This one is shrimp. The flour tortillas was so big, so I only did 2. Right now I'm gonna try. This is corn tortilla, shrimp. Let's try it. Good. I forgot the jerk sauces right here. If I wanted extra to drizzle on my taco, just like that.
Is it spicy?
Not really, just a maybe a little. Because I didn't put much jerk. Yum. I'm drinking some coquito.
I don't have a drink right now.
You get some juice.
Okay.
So I'm gonna post a video with me making this either before this one or after it. It's so good. It came out amazing. So good. Oh, anyway.
Well, I fell asleep today.
Hmm?
So why wouldn't I be?
What class you fell asleep in?
Bad.
That's not funny. So you're gonna fail.
I didn't fail. I did something called repeated addition right after I fell asleep.
And who woke you up?
David, the guy who slept in class too. I had to wake him up, and he waited until I went in a deep sleep.
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.
Bye.